Fam. In this quick video, I'm going to do an update in my notebook planner. So I'm going to show you some things that I've added, some things that have worked, and just kind of update it and catch up with you with my notebook planner for January. Now, I thought I would do a quick update with you just in case you're interested to see how things are going. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stay tuned. Baby, you give me ice and fire. Hello and welcome back, Fam, and you're watching Planning Calm. And here on this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. Now, this is my 2026 notebook planner. I shared this planner with you a few videos ago. I can't even remember. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. And it's been a month, let me tell you. But I thought I would kind of break it open and share with you just how things are going. This is just like a regular notebook that I got very inexpensively at the dollar store. I want to say it was $1 or something. And I just transformed it into a planner. Now, this is a planner that I take with me wherever I go. I get a lot of questions about how I use a planner daily. And this baby comes with me all the time, everywhere I go. It's in my work bag, it's in my knapsack, it's everywhere. It's on my nightstand, it's good to go. And you know how I've set it up, one of the things I love about this is just, it's no frills planning. I don't worry about being pretty. I don't worry about making things neat. Whatever's in my head, I try to get it down. And that's exactly what this planner is meant to do. There's no stickers, there's no nothing. It's just bottom basic bones planning, and I love it. Now, when I open it up, I shared with you just like how I do a little calendar thing, my TWG or my Time with God focus, which was this Bible verse here, my overview of all the things that are happening in the month, my goals. This is a time, it has come towards the end of the month, where I kind of take stock, if you will, on kind of what's been happening, if you will. So January was a difficult month for a variety of reasons. I won't get into it because I don't want to bore you folks, but it was challenging. And when I look at my goals, my first inclination is to feel bad about myself because I didn't achieve any of these goals at all. But the fact that I wrote them down and I had intentions to accomplish them is what's most important. And now looking at and reviewing my goals and everything that I've put down, moving forward, I know what I need to work on and what I need to improve upon for the next month, which is why I love a notebook planner system. My January goals, I do feel like I've increased my time with God activities. I feel like I'm more cognizant of, my Bible practices, being in the Word more, and singing. I've been singing so much more, which has been such a soothing relief for me in this stressful month and the stressful time in my life. And just God, I feel like God comforts me through song. And with me singing, I don't proclaim to have the best voice or the best singing voice or anything like that, but I do love to sing, and I have sung at, people's weddings and church choirs and things like that. And singing is just such a comforting thing, especially when it's gospel oriented. It fills my cup. So that is a goal I can check off. Now, the other ones. And stay tuned to the channel because I will be doing an update in my health and wellness planner that I showcased earlier this year. Yeah, I've been struggling. So yeah. I'm going to put a little sad face there because I did not achieve these goals at all. And I'm okay. It's okay. I'm not sit here and feel bad about it and be depressed about it. It was what it was. Moving forward, bam, God's got this for me. And looking forward, I'm going to make sure that I move my body 5 times a week and then I return to my sugar fast because that's important. Now, moving into the planner, in my last video, a lot of people mentioned, things about my grocery list and my meal planning. Folks, I'm not trying to complicate my life. Again, this is why I wanted to have a simple notebook so that, everything is simple. I don't want any complications. I don't want anything extra. I just want basic. And basic for me is good. It's what I need in my life right now. Comment down below if you know what I'm saying. So my grocery list, this is a grocery list just to specify here. I'm budgeting my groceries and my meal preps for for twice in a month, basically. Did that work for us? I think it did. I think, just knowing kind of what we want to eat, making the grocery list, and then planning out the meals, prepping ahead of time, I think that worked for us. It wasn't perfect, mind you. It was maybe about a 60 to 70%, but at least we're on the right track, and that's what I want. I want progress, not perfection. Now, in terms of, things I accomplished, I've tried to go through and check as I go along, but sometimes it doesn't always happen, which is why I do what I do here. So just going through things that I accomplished, I just give myself a check. Our basketball tournament was a great success, so I can give that a little happy face there. Moving on into the next week, I did go to the bank. I did the Amazon return. I did an upload, I believe. I may have to double check on that, so I'll put a bracket there. Vacuumed the car. There's been a lot of weather situations where I live in Atlantic, Canada. So yeah, we've been dealing with some snow days. I am not mad at that at all. I will welcome the snow days. But because the weather was so bad and has been so bad, I haven't had the opportunity to do what I've wanted to do. So sometimes I got to kind of go through and just kind of I didn't get to it. Not to mention too, I was sick for most of this month and I'm still not 100%. And so that affected, just my ability to do the things that I wanted to do. And yeah, that it is what it is. Such is life. And the laundry I got done, the groceries I did. So yeah, so just going through and checking. I didn't get to filming and prepping and editing the way I want. My videos were just kind of sparse this month, and that's okay. A lot going on. It's all good. And moving on to the end of this week. So when I'm filming it, it is, goodness, I don't even know what the date is today. It's the 20-something. It's like the end, towards the end of the month. And snowstorms again. Hope to have this uploaded, so I'm going to leave that there, make sure that's done. And the remainder of the week here, I got book club and groceries. This is our grocery prep for the following week coming up in the 1st of February. There's another basketball tournament that Mr. Com is going to be working in. And there's actually, no, this practice got canceled, so I'm going to move that. Date night, we're going to have to reschedule because we won't have time for that because of the basketball tournament, because everything has been kind of shoved and pushed because of the snow days. So there's that. Now, my January recap is really, really important because, again, it's how I kind of check in and make sure that I am on the path to where I need to go moving forward in terms of improving myself. At the beginning of the year, I shared in I believe it was my Sterling Ink planner, just some goals that I have for myself. And I like to use my notebook planner to kind of check in on those things as well. So like I showed last time, basically these are a list of the things that I'm working on. I'm currently looking to work on improving in my life. The happy face, the not so much face, and the sad face is kind of my determining factors on how I'm progressing. I've already done part of it here, so I guess we'll finish up together. So time with God, it was okay. Like I mentioned, I'm doing more singing. Actually, you know what? I feel like it's a bit better because I've hit my Bible plan challenges. So I think I'm going to move that and put it a happy face because I feel like I've done really well with the singing and so on. No sugar. Yeah, no, that did not happen. Workouts didn't happen. Walks didn't happen. A positive attitude. Yeah, I'm still struggling, folks. I'm still struggling. My sleep, getting 8+ hours. Well, thanks to all the snow days I've been having, I've been able to improve my sleep. So I gave myself a little check in the happy column there. No spend, still okay. I feel like, I spent a lot this month on Amazon just getting things for our home, like new pillows and new sheets, things like that. So, I think February moving forward is going to be a little bit better. My reading, I blew it out of the park, mainly because I was so sick. I was in bed most of the month. So I was able to, just really, yeah. Time with Mr. Calm. Yeah, that I'm going to put here because, with his schedule, it's just a really busy time for him. And we've had to cancel a date night and reschedule a date night about 2 or 3 times this month. So yeah, I'm going to say that's still a work in progress. Here, I think I did okay. I've implemented some new face moisturizers and things like that to my facial routine, which has been slamming. If you've missed my video, I've been using some products that I love, so definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave the video somewhere in the atmosphere for you to check out. Planning Calm, yeah, it's gonna be in this column. Actually, no, what am I doing? I need to move this over here. There we go. That makes more sense. Self-care is doing okay. Planning Calm, not so much. Planning Calm is my social media efforts and my content creation. I need to put out more videos this next month because this former month was slacking. Self-improvement, yeah, I don't really know. I need to work on that. Savings, I did save a little. And debt repayment, yeah, I need to work better on that. So yeah, kind of going through and just doing an update and just a quick check-in on how things are going. Like I mentioned, love my notebook planner setup. It's just, sometimes you just need basic, and basic does the body good, I love the fact that it's just so minimal, low key, low stress. There's not a lot of color. There's not a lot of distractions and stickers. I can really focus in on what I want to do, what I want to accomplish, and then kind of check in and give myself, that confirmation that I am doing what I need to do, or the kick in the butt when I need to do better. And that's why I love this notebook planner. So there you have it, my friends. This is a quick video. Just wanted to share with you my January recap in my notebook planner. Hope you are doing well and that your family's doing well, that you're safe with everything going on. I know my American friends, I'm praying for y'all. I'm praying because you guys got a lot going on down there. So I'm praying for you folks. And weather-wise, wherever you are, I know you guys got hit. Everywhere in the world is just getting in touch with something right now. So I'm praying that you guys are safe and well. And comment down below and let me know if you started a notebook planner, how things are going for you, some things that you've added, some things that you are working for you. I would love to know if you care to share in the comments down below. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. Until next time, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.